The shirtless wonder. Busy eating the dough off of the beaters.
You don't waste the dough on the beater. You either eat it
or defeat it.
Oh my gosh, so good.
This is what the first one's baked out to be like. I don't know if they're any good, so I'll have to eat one. Oh, they're hot. I'll eat one in a bit.
Maybe like
instead I'll have a
glass of vino.
Another sip, baby. And then, a friend of mine gave me these cooling racks. So first I put it out here.
Didn't we buy those?
No. No, not much.
How could you not? How could you waste all that dough? Look at me, I'm fat. Oh my God.
And this was from earlier today. This is a bowl of my beef stew.
Yum yum.
It's heated up. And yes, and it's hot too. Don't know if you want salt or pepper or anything like that. It may be salty enough. You try that baby out. But the trick is to get the tray off of the oven for just a few minutes. It's still counting, it's baking that second one, and I got a third rack ready. And then, when you can handle it, because it is a little, these are little cookies now. Oh, come on. I don't know if I'm even in this shot, but I'm taking them off and putting them on a cooling rack. Make sure that they are nice and cool. And then I'm ready to make another one. Oh, hey, I have a cameraman. Oh, quite good job, dear. Nothing like a little piece of cheesecake. Now, you just get on, dear.
It's delicious.
Yeah, my beef stews have gotten better and better, I think.
Maybe just a tad more power. Just a skosh.
Okay. I might cook too much on. No. Actually, it cooks for 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Okay.
I just went and ate some of the batter myself. It is good. Okay. Nice thing about beef stew is you make a big pot, and then you get a whole craptastic load of leftovers. Yay for leftovers! But there won't be any leftover wine. Well, yes, there will, because I'm not going to drink that whole bottle today. No.
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. And I will upload all of the others as well. Yeah, see, it's a bit dry. Maybe I'll cut back on the flour.
Or add more milk.
Doesn't have any milk in it.
Water.
Butter. Doesn't have any water in it.
Maybe add something to... I don't know.
The resident chef is perfect.
Oh.
You are going to get me an X rating there, young man. I've got a kitchen bunny running around.
Yeah.
Where's that hoppy tail?
Let me know when you're done recording.
Yeah, actually, I don't know. I think that's pretty much it. So, as I had said before, I want to thank Laura Vitale for this recipe, though I've kind of tweaked it a little bit.
We added Heath chips.
Heath chips, that's right.
Which are delicious.
They are good.
Nothing like a good little bit of coffee.
Ah! I just stepped on a chocolate chip. Damn it!
Okay.
Damn it! Such a waste. Oh my
Well,
God.
at least the cat didn't get it. That's good.
Yeah, that's true. So, it is hot in this kitchen, baby.
It's hot in this house.
Alrighty. So, I shall leave it at that. My next experiment will be God only knows. I might show me making snickerdoodles. I might,
Bake a pie.
yeah, could bake them. Oh, I've got lots of apples to use. Let me show you.
Oh my.
I have got 2 of these things, thanks to Brendolyn Cavaretto. So I am going to be, an apple cobbler.
Ooh.
I'm going to do an apple cobbler next. I've been looking through and I've got enough oats to use that to make the crumbly stuff on top. So that's my next project. So I do it. Oh, that's right. I should sample my wares. There's a peanut butter cookie with chocolate chips and stuff in it. That's what it is. Actually, it's really quite good. They're little, but powerful. Powerful, I tell you.
Okay. And cut.
Fade to black.